Let's talk about mewing. If you have been watching videos about self-improvement or improving your facial features, then this is a term and technique you're bound to come across, or maybe you've already heard of it, and that is for good reason. If you are mewing correctly, it can improve your facial symmetry, it can help you define your jawline, it can help with getting straighter teeth, and it helps you with better breathing and improving your posture. Hearing all these benefits, you just have to give it a try. How do you know if you're mewing correctly? Well, you won't have to worry about that anymore. I'm going to break down how to properly mew step by step. Let's start right away. I would recommend you to follow along with my instructions. Start by relaxing your tongue and placing the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. You want the entire surface of your tongue to make contact with the roof of your mouth. Next, press the middle of your tongue up against the roof of your mouth, creating a suction. You should feel a slight pressure in your cheeks and along the sides of your face. Keep your lips closed and your teeth lightly touching each other. You don't want to clench your teeth, as this can cause tension in your jaw, and this is not what mewing is about. Once you have your teeth and tongue set up, it's time to breathe through your nose. Breathing through your nose is important because it helps to filter and humidify the air, which is better for your respiratory system. Hold this position for as long as possible, ideally throughout the day. At first, this may feel uncomfortable or unnatural, but with practice, it will become more comfortable and you won't have to think twice about it. Well, now you know how to mew correctly, but before you click the video away, I've got some killer tips to speed up your mewing progression. The whole reason mewing is effective is because it forces you to breathe through your nose instead of your mouth, and it strengthens your facial muscles. So when you have been mewing consistently all day and you go to sleep, most of us tend to breathe through our mouths without even being aware of it. To combat this, I would suggest using sleeping tape. This is a simple piece of tape you put over your mouth to make sure you're only breathing through your nose during the night. I've linked the sleeping tape I use myself in the description down below. And don't worry, using sleeping tape is completely safe. The second tip is using a mewing appliance. This helps you maintain proper tongue posture consistently. When placed in your mouth, the device trains you to mew properly by becoming uncomfortable when your tongue drops from your palate. This way, you will always be mewing day and night and will see results as fast as you possibly can. Something to always keep in mind is that change comes gradually. You cannot expect that you get a chiseled jawline through mewing in just a few weeks. All good things take time. With that said, gentlemen, I hope you found the video helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos and let us know how your mewing progress is going so far.